Hello, Blackhawk Cougars, Mrs. Sutliff here, and I have some special directions for you with your turkey project for the winter art song. Last time we looked at this lesson and we looked at all the different videos that are down here, and you chose one. And I actually wrote down your choice, and then I took my bags and I put what you need for your project into your bag. I did that to make it easy and so you could start right away. So you will not be able to change your project now. The thing you chose last time to do is what you have to do, okay? So when I hand you your bag, I am gonna tell you which project you were doing, just to remind you. And then you are going to find that video and work on it, okay? The special directions that I have for you are to make sure that you watch the directions carefully and that you ask if you have questions, okay? So some of these videos, the directions are easier than others. Some of them are a little tougher to do. That was your choice again. Some of them tell you to just make something, okay? For example, like the feet for your turkey. And if you're having trouble, the cool thing is that in the fall art unit on my course, there are videos for making all of those different parts of turkey. So if you can't remember how to make a beak, for example, you can just come down here to the bottom, click this button to go back to the course, click on your unit bar and go back to the fall art project. It's the A in STEAM stands for art, fall art project unit. And then scroll down and choose the lesson you need to watch again for the part of the turkey you're having trouble making, okay? I think that is all I needed to tell you. So make sure you ask if you have questions so we don't waste any of our time, because you don't have much time, okay? And take your time on your art though. Don't rush through it. I want it to look really nice when it's done. We have today, and then we have 2 more weeks to try and get it finished. So don't feel like you need to rush through it. Make it look nice, but also don't waste your time, okay? So that's your directions for today. Go ahead and hop to it.